Here are some myths about hair systems part 1. Number 1. Hair systems are expensive. No way. At Topi, we have something for every budget. Our hair systems start at rupees 10,000 and go up to rupees 50,000 plus for the customized hair system. Number 2. Hair systems are uncomfortable to wear. Whoa. No way. With a variety of base materials and front options and skin safe adhesives, hair systems become second nature to you. You'll forget you're even wearing it. Number 3. Hair systems look unnatural and fake. No way, man. Not true. Topi hair systems are made from 100% natural human hair. Our in-house hair stylists cut, style and blend the hair with your own, and that's a super important contribution to make the hair system look natural. Number 4. Hair systems require high maintenance. No, no, no. Once you wear a hair system, you can keep it on for 10 to 30 days at a stretch. You can do everything. You can have a hair wash, do a workout, ride a bike with or without a helmet, and even swim with it on. Watch out for part 2.